Ogunmefun Emmanuel Temidayo's channel once again. And today we are still at the Lekki Epe Expressway. And today, guess what? We are going to be asking some Bible questions. It is 500 naira. And a recipient stands to win the whole of this cash. Let us see and let us see what they are capable of doing. Question is this: how many books are in the Bible altogether?
100 and something.
You said what?
100 and something.
100 and something. I'm sorry, you are wrong. Are you ready to take it or risk it?
I'm ready to take it.
Yeah.
Revelation.
Revelation. That's for 500 naira. Please let me to give it to him. Yeah. We move now. Now, which book of the Bible is the first book in the Bible?
Genesis.
Genesis. That means it has the 1,000 naira already now. We go to the next one. Are you ready?
Yes.
Father of Jesus Christ.
The father of Jesus Christ. The father of Jesus. The father of Joseph.
Yes, it's correct. For 500 naira. Give him his 500 naira. Baptist.
John the Baptist, the forerunner of Jesus Christ.
The forerunner of Jesus Christ. Yes, he has 2,000 naira to himself now. You have to say in respect to this game and you being able to be our winner for today.
I say I really appreciate God because it is a great day to me. I don't know about others. Everybody should be a Bible student. So an opportunity that you can come at any time. So anyone can participate like the way I did today and the morning that I have won.
Oh wow.
I really thank God.
Now take this. Yeah. Thank you so much for coming today.